Hello everyone, welcome to the Kiki London YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. In today's video, I have a very exciting one to share with you all, as today we have the new Kiki London gel polish collection. So let's jump in and take a look at not one, but 7 new gel polish shades. We're going to look at them closely, and then further along in the video, we will swatch them all. So I really hope you all enjoy watching. First up, we have Creme Brulee. Now, I love it when we get a new nude, and this is quite a unique one. It's got a cool undertone and a hint of lilac pink coming through, so it's perfect for those who want a more softer palette. Next up, we have a Sugar and Spice. Now, this is the most sophisticated blend of rosy pink and a pearlescent shimmer. I absolutely love this one. It's going to be really popular for not only autumn but Christmas too. We then have the Dreamy Mocha Milk. This is like a warm chocolatey brown. It's got a really smooth silky tone to it, so I think it's perfect for anyone wanting a more darker, bolder shade. Then we have a Chestnut Brown. Now, as you can see, this has a really rich, deep reddish brown tone to it. It's that perfect statement color, especially for all you red lovers. Then we have Espresso. Now, if you are like me and are a coffee addict, then you are gonna love this color. It's dramatic, it's intense, it's really modern looking as well, which I absolutely love. We then have the Spectacular Copper Dust. This is kind of like a really rich bronze color. It's radiant, it's got that metallic / shimmery effect to it. It's going to be perfect for autumn. Then we have Mulled Wine, getting us into those Christmas vibes. This is a really beautiful, vibrant purple. It's got a hint of mystery to it, and it has a very luxurious feel. So these are the 7 new shades available. Please do comment below and let me know your favorite. I think I'll mention my favorite further along in the video. So we're going to swatch these on the Kiki London Swatch File. If you are new to the Swatch File, it is a brilliant tool to have in your kit. It's my favorite way to swatch and showcase all of the Kiki London colors. It comes with this handy tip stand, so you can just pop your tips onto the stand and then swatch away. So first up, we're going to swatch Creme Brulee. So as I mentioned, I'd put this in the nude category. It's a very light shade. It's going to be perfect as a base for Nala, or for those clients, or even yourself if you're wanting a more simple, minimalist, chic color. As you can see, we're painting over a white base, but it is a very opaque color. When we come in and apply the second coats though, that is when you're going to really see each of these colors pop. As always, I always recommend using the Kiki London colors in 2 thin coats, so that's how we're going to swatch them today. We're going to swatch all of the colors in 1 coat and then cure the first coat, and then we will do the second coat. So here we have the beautiful Sugar and Spice. I feel as though this color, it has so much depth to it. I really love anything with that pearlescent effect to it. This kind of reminds me of the colors in the Cat's Eye range, which I really love those. So I feel as though this is one I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of. Next up, we have Mocha Milk. Now, we have a few coffee inspired shades here at Kiki London, so it's nice to introduce a new one. And I really like that this isn't it's not a too brown. It has a bit of an earthy feel to it, but it's a little bit more neutral while still having that bold statement effect. How gorgeous does it look next to the Sugar and Spice? Now, I said I would mention my favorite color, and this has to be one of them. It's always impossible to pick one favorite color when a new collection launches, but this one, it really jumped out at me. I feel as though it looks super unique when you're swatching it as well, as in the bottle you don't see this kind of pinkish red tone coming through. It's giving off like luxurious rust, which I absolutely loved. And speaking of favorite colors, Mulled Wine had to be my second favorite. It's really hard to pick a favorite, but oh my god, I love a purple, and this is such a beautiful purple. It's really vibrant. It does look a little bit darker when you come in and add that second coat on, and it kind of gives off those spicy plum vibes. I feel as though it fits the name perfectly. Like, swatching this, I could just smell mulled wine. Let me know in the comments below, do you like mulled wine? I absolutely love it, but I feel as though it's a bit like Marmite and it's one of those love-hate kind of things. Next up, we have the gorgeous chestnut brown. Now this color, it sums up chestnut perfectly. Like if you pick up a chestnut and hold it up into the autumn sunshine, this is the color you get. It's got quite a reddish color to it, so that's why I said it would be perfect for the red lovers, because I know red is such a timeless shade, but I really love that this does still have that hint of brown coming through. And lastly, we have espresso, another one for the coffee lovers. Now this one I feel is such a unique shade. I don't feel as though we have anything similar to this in the Kiki range. I do feel as though it kind of has a similar look to Wine With Me, but it's that bit darker. It's a really, really intense shade. It's got a beautiful, almost blackish tone coming through. Like it's very, very dark, but then you've also got those brown tones coming through. I feel as though, again, this is another really modern shade, and I feel as though this is another one that will work beautiful through the winter season as well. So we've done our first coat of color. We're going to pop these in to cure for 30 seconds, and then we're going to come in and add our second coat of color, and a lot more of the darker colors get a lot more intense with their second coat as well. And like I mentioned, this is where you really see that true color coming through. So we're going in first of all with creme brulee, and I feel as though here you see that little bit more of a cool ivory tone to this one as well. I feel as though this one reminds me of my love I have for vintage white, but this one has a bit more of a darker effect to it. Then we're going to do the beautiful sugar and spice. I feel as though this one, spice really comes through in this. It's got that really nice, rich, spicy effect to it. It pairs up beautifully with creme brulee as well. I'm glad I put these two together. I feel these would look really nice for anyone wanting a more subtle, minimalist look. Then we have mocha milk. I really love the chocolatey effect on this one. It makes me feel as though, it just makes me feel all warm and cozy. I love a brown, and I feel as though this one will pair up really nicely with espresso as well. You could even add in some creamier neutrals as well if you wanted to do like a Skittles effect manicure. Then we have the beautiful copper dust. I love the name of this one as well. So when you come in and apply the second coat of this, you get a lot more of a rich effect coming through. The shimmer and the metallic pop that little bit more in the second coat, but I feel as though this is quite a versatile color. You could use this in one coat if you wanted to keep that more pinky effect that you get in that first coat. So this is definitely going to be a color that I'm going to play around with for some nail art as well. How gorgeous would this color here, so how gorgeous would mulled wine look with some like copper dust flowers or leaves drawn over the top of it or painted over the top of it? I'm definitely getting loads of nail inspiration from this new collection, which is something I love about a new collection launch. There we have the gorgeous mulled wine. You can really see that that purple pops a lot more in the second coat. It really does have a luxurious feel. Then on to chestnut brown. Now as soon as I see a red, I think of Christmas. And although this is more of an autumnal red because of the kind of like that auburn effect that you've got coming through, I still think this could be a gorgeous red for Christmas, but maybe I'm just already in Christmas mode. Then lastly, we're going to do our second coat of espresso. Now I didn't think espresso could get any more dramatic, but when you come in and apply that second coat, it just gets even more bolder, even more intense. It's got kind of a sultry feel to it as well, which I absolutely love. Now I have really loved swatching this collection. I received it, swatched it straight away for you guys, but I can't wait to create some nail art. So if you have any suggestions, any color combinations, ombres, French tip, any looks or any colors you would like to see paired with existing colours in the Kiki range, then do hit me up in the comments below with your suggestions. Do also head on over to the Kiki London Instagram page to see some of these colours in action as well. As I mentioned, in the description box below will be the link to the Kiki London website if you would like to shop the collection yourself. We're then going to come in and top coat all of these. I'm top coating today using the no wipe top coat. I can't wait to see what some of these colours look like matte as well. I feel as though espresso and mulled wine are going to look especially beautiful matte, maybe creme brulee as well, because I do like a matte neutral. So I can't wait to play around with some matte top coat over these as well. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would also like to see too. And just how gorgeous do some of these darker colours especially look when you come in and top coat, and they just get even more of a stunning high shine, especially these last three. So espresso, chestnut brown and mulled wine. I can't get over how stunning they look when they are even more glossy. I think it's where they're dark and they're rich, it just really brings out their vibrancy. Now with the no wipe top coat, you want to pop this in your LED lamp to cure for 60 seconds. As always, you could use any of the Kiki London top coats of your choice. Once I had cured these, I popped them off of the tip stand onto one of the panels so you can see them a bit better side by side. I really hope you love this new collection as much as I do. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please do give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already hit that subscription button, then don't forget to subscribe so you can see these colors in action. Thank you all so much for watching. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.